So I had made two videos about this Volkswagen Touareg head. One's going to talk about some problems that we ran into removing the 2.0T cylinder head. The other one's going to talk about the damage that occurs during the removal and installation. I hope it's helpful. I didn't really say in the video, but there is a toolkit that you will need. You can pretty much just Google it. It's about $60, somewhere between $40 to $60. And when you buy the cheap one, they don't come in instructions on how to use it. You kind of got to figure it out. But it was helpful, and it is necessary to have to be able to do the installation and removal properly. I highly recommend you Google this. Eventually we will make a video of us removing this when we get the opportunity, now that we've done one. It is not a job for the novice. I should say for an amateur. Novice, yeah, it's all right. I would consider myself a novice, even though I do stuff all the time. I'm not always as efficient as someone who does them on a regular basis. So I hope the video is helpful. Enjoy. Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like. Most of all, send me your nice comments. And even, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe and share my videos. I'm going to show you a couple little tricks. We're taking apart a 2011 Volkswagen Touareg with the 2.0 turbo in it. We ended up removing our head with the turbo on. I don't know if that's the way you're supposed to do it, but that's the way we did it. One thing is, what size was this?
Oh, we don't know. There is no size on it.
Big Allen wrench bolt, which held the rest of the cover on there.
There's one over here and one over here.
And that'll help you because you may be able to get that turbo out of there. But if I show you, I don't see how you can get that off while it's.
This one's blocked by
that tube right there.
I'll be able to get it with the gear wrench. But.
So we've actually got this off of here. If you got any questions or you want to, maybe I can answer them for you, you can hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on Facebook. Another problem was right almost dead square in the middle of here, there was a nut. It was a 13mm nut, and it was mounted to this bracket right here. You couldn't see it with the intake on there. We had tried separating the intake from the head prior to taking it off, and even now that we have it off, we couldn't get the intake off, but I'm sure now it's sitting here. I hope these little words of wisdom help you out, and you can see, if I show you a good little look around here, maybe that'll be helpful for you when you're trying to take this off. I didn't make a video of us removing it because it was an utter nightmare, and this is the first one we've ever done. So if I show you what we did, maybe that'll help you understand that we were able to get ours off. This way we got all bent intake valves because the tensioner went bad. So we got to replace them, got them off of eBay. But if the video's helpful, send me your nice comments, like my video, most of all, share and subscribe my page. Remember, if any other man can do it, you can do it too. Don't be the next to them, be the first to you. God bless, have a great day. Clay out. Hey, this is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video's helpful, please send me your nice comments, like my videos, most of all, subscribe and share. Don't be the next to them, be the first to you, and remember, if any other man can do it, you can do it too. So what we got is a 2011 Volkswagen Touareg with the 2.0 turbo. If you didn't watch my other video talking about cylinder head and a couple of the little problems that we ran into, I just wanted to let you know that all of our intake valves were bent in this. We don't have any piston scarring. They got actually pretty deep cups for the intake valve down here inside the cylinders. So even though the valves hit the cylinder head, it's still good. It didn't cause any cracking or anything. So if you lose your timing chain tensioner and you got to remove your head, you're probably going to need to order a new set of valves. I think I paid like 50 bucks. They're 16mm valves off of the old eBay there. And as you can see, if you didn't watch the other video, once you get this thing all taken out, this is the way we took ours out. You can get it out, and we're just going to remove it and break it down here on the bench, and then we'll redo the valves. and set them in and everything else and do all that. Hopefully the video is helpful. If you need to get a message to me right away, hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook. Have a great day.